Greetings and welcome back to Petro Media. I'm at my friend's house in Arizona right now, and he does full restorations of gas pumps. This is a Pennsylvania pentameter. This is a very rare pump. I picked this up at Iowa Gas several years ago. A farmer had cut it down. It was super short. It needed a lot of work. It needed fabrication work. And my friend Bruce does excellent fabrication work. He built the pump up to the original height. And while I'm here to pick up this pump, I figured I'd give all of you a tour of his workshop area and his pumps. This is an air and water meter that he's working on right now. Let's have a look at some of Bruce's restored pumps. This right here is a very rare pump. This is a Wayne model 72R. These were produced for Firestone Tire Company back in the I'd say late 30s, early 40s. It's not very often that you'll see a pump like this. It's very unique. Tokheim Lubar cabinet. These sat on the gas station island between the gas pumps, and they were used to hold oil cans that they would close up at night and lock. Bruce is a master craftsman. His skills are amazing. Every single one of these pumps he has meticulously restored from start to finish. This is a Rapid Dayton 1420 cash recorder. This is the model that I picked up on this road trip out at Iowa Gas. Bruce also collects original globes. This is a 1920s original mobile oil bottle cabinet. These are original mobile oil porcelain signs. Let's take a look inside. Now, how is that for a stereo cabinet? What I wanted to show everybody is this is an original Mobil Oil lubrication chart. Every one of these cabinets had this lubrication chart in them when they were produced from the factory. You can look at the years, 1924 through 1927. That gives you an idea of the time period. I'm not going to identify every pump here because the video would get quite lengthy. But if you have any questions about these pumps, just leave me a question under comments and I'll get back to you. But these are all part of his personal collection, and he restores pumps for other people, for customers. So if you're interested in getting a pump restored, you could always contact me and I'll get you set up with Bruce. This is a Bowser Pumpkinhead Model 300. This used to be in my collection, and I ended up selling it to Bruce a couple of years ago. This is a Bennett Shotwell. I also sold this to Bruce a while back, and it has an amazing finish, original finish. We call it patina finish as far as paint. It's a nice, complete, original pump. And this is a rare pump. This is a ferrometer pump. All original globe. Original fire chief pump plate. So this was an original fire chief pump. Now this is very unique. I've only seen one or two of these in my lifetime. This is an Erie 603 with a special factory add glass top. Not many of them had this top. Again, look at the finish on this pump. It's absolutely gorgeous. Bruce is very meticulous when he restores a pump, down to the smallest details. And this pump here I'm familiar with because this is a Char meter. It's an MA37 cash recorder. Bruce, can you tell me about your Ford hot rod here?
It's a 1934 Ford. It has a Buick nailhead, a Tremec 5-speed, and a Winters quick change magnesium housing rear axle assembly in it. It's been chopped and channeled. It's been a 2-year project.
It looks amazing. I bet that would be fun to take out.
It is, it is.
Has a lot of power and torque.
It's very fast and a lot of torque, yes.
Great.
Yes.
I'm going to go ahead and do a walk around tour of it. I like that air cleaner assembly setup.
Thank you.
It appears to be all steel body.
It is all steel.
No fiberglass.
No fiberglass.
Oh, that's what we like. High speed?
Yes, Trinity 5-speed.
Okay. Very nice. I like that stoplight.
Thank you.
Sounds great.
Thank you.
Bruce, tell me about this vehicle.
This is a 1930 Ford Roadster body on 32 rails. It has a Columbia 2-speed rear end, it has a Lincoln side shift transmission, and an early model flathead motor. This car was built somewhere in the early 50s and bought by a gentleman in Superior in 1958. And he drove it till 61 and he broke the rear end in it. And at 65, I started to try to buy it from him. And finally, I wore him down, and finally in 2010, he finally sold it to me, and my son and I restored it.
Oh, that's wonderful, wonderful story.
It was a good project. I hadn't seen my son much in those years. He found out I had it. He came here every weekend for over a year, and we worked on it and finished it. When we got all done, I just gave it to him.
Sounds like a great father and son project.
It was. My son and his wife, my daughter-in-law, they enjoy it. They've taken it to Rat City Ruckus and taken to several shows in the valley, and they enjoy it.
That's great. And have you and your son cruised it together?
Oh yes, we cruised it when we went up to Rat City Ruckus car show in Vegas. We drove it around Vegas, and they did a video shoot of it. Yes.
Well,
oh yeah.
That is wonderful. Thank you for sharing with all of us.
Yeah. You might take a look at the steering wheel on it. It explains it.
I like these flathead engines. Offenhauser heads.
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Now, this car has a lot of sentimental value, I'm sure.
It does. It does.
Nothing like an American hot rod. Thank you, Bruce, for sharing not only your vehicles, but also your collection.
Thank you. You're welcome.
A very special thank you goes out to Bruce and his wife for sharing their incredible collection with all of us here at Petro Media. I appreciate all of you following me along the way and watching my videos. I have much more video content coming your way soon as I wrap up my Iowa trip adventure. Until next time, take care and God bless.